Hello everyone and welcome to day 96 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. If you have closely observed, then all the internal error messages from Bubble, like when the credentials is not right, or if there is any other problem while you are saving the data into the database, then the error message is being shown on a particular pop-up, which looks very ugly, right? When you have built the entire application to look very nice, you want the error message also to be in your own style. So in today's video, let's understand how do we show these error messages in our own style. Let's get started. So to begin with, let me show you how Bubble's default errors look like. Let me go to register for that and let me preview. So if I use some random email address and password, you can see that this particular box comes up, which may look odd when you have made a lot of designing in terms of rest of the app. So let's look at how do we ensure that this is taken care of in our own style. For that, you can go to settings, you can go to languages and scroll down and check for credentials. We didn't find an account with those login credentials, right? So that's what we got here. And so that is this particular thing. Okay, so you can copy what is error message, which is invalid. Okay, we cannot select it, but you know it is invalid _login _credentials. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to general and then unhandled error occurs. Okay, element workflow errors, any workflow errors, right? So this is for element, this is any workflow. And then you can mention that current workflow error code is, you have to mention whatever is available here, which is invalid login credentials, right? So it is invalid _login credentials. Okay. Once this is caught, you can use your own style. I would go with the error alert for now. Credentials not matching. If you do not recall your password by resetting it, right? So I'll go to the front end and I'll use some random email address and some random password. Click on login and you see that it has come with our own style. This could be made as a pop-up, it can be made as a focus group, it can be made like however you want in your own design. I just wanted to show you how do we enable something like this to be shown, and that's what it is, right? And this particular thing can be done for anything like file too large. Let's quickly check for file too large. For that, I'm going to go to settings test, right? So we already have here a file uploader which has 1 MB of limit. So when I click on preview, whenever I upload anything more than 1 MB, it will throw error. You can see that, sorry, this file is too large, right? Again, here the error code is file _2 large, right? So we'll go to workflows, create a new one, general, and unhandled error occurs, and then make it as any workflow error and search for error. Select current workflow error code is, let's quickly check it in, file too large, right? So file _2 large. Okay, again I'll use error alert, again I'll use error alert, or this time let's go with alert box. Right, so I'm going to add over here and I can say that this is file or anything below 1 MB. Also including this, and let's make the color as reddish because it's supposed to be a warning, along with this being red as well. Okay, so I'll go to the workflow and here I'll say alert, show message in alert box, and because this is the only alert box we have, it will automatically be selected. Now when I go over here on the front end and when I upload a file which is greater than 1 MB, you can see that this particular alert box is shown and not the default Bubbles alert. I hope you can see the difference between the two way of showing alert boxes, right? Well, now you've understood that even internal Bubble error messages can be styled in our own way. I hope this video was helpful. Please try this out in your own application while we record our next video. See you in the next one.